This simple activity that you have been doing since you were about a year old. Researchers found that walking reduced the risk of cardiovascular events by 31%, cut the risk of dying by 32%. These benefits were equally robust in men and women. Protection was evident even at a distance of just 5.5 miles per week. The people who walked longer distances, walked at a faster pace, or both enjoyed the greatest protection. Here is the 7 different ways to incorporate walking into your fitness routine. 1. Brisk walking. Brisk walking is generally considered a speed slightly faster than an individual's normal walking pace. Brisk walking workout should be in the range of 100 steps per minute. Pace of about 3.5 miles per hour or higher on a treadmill. Brisk walking raises the heart rate, burns more calories, and can help you live longer. 2. Power walking. Power walking involves a faster pace that is shorter of a jog and uses rigorous arm swings to build cardiovascular endurance and total body strength. The key to power walking involves perfecting the 90-degree arm swing and the heel to toe foot strike. Hand and ankle weights are sometimes added for additional resistance to improve strength. Power walking reaches a speed in the range of 4 to 5.5 miles per hour on a treadmill. 3. Race walking. Race walking is an event in which a person's speed to cover a predetermined distance is put to the test against other competitors. Race walking is one foot must remain in contact with the ground at all times during the event to avoid disqualification. To reach higher speed, stride length is often shortened and side to side hip rotation is pronounced to achieve a straight leg technique. Upright posture and quick arm movements are also signature of race walking. The elevated heart rates associated with this form of walking make it a high intensity workout which provides a high calorie burn in a short amount of time. 4. Kai walking. Kai walking is used by many to improve posture, strengthen core muscles, relax tight muscles, and gain cardiovascular fitness. It places an emphasis on using mindfulness to help focus on proper body alignment. This style of walking also uses a principle from Thai Kai and encourages individuals to participate in exploration of the mind, body, and spirit as a whole during workouts. 5. Nordic or pole walking. Nordic walking is like brisk or power walking but is enhanced by the use of Nordic poles. Incorporating poles engages the upper body which helps propel forward movement. This can be helpful for individuals looking for more of full body and core workout. Nordic walking also helps people improve balance, achieve a faster pace, and take on inclined surfaces or trails. 6. Marathon walking. This form of long distance endurance walking focuses on the marathon distance 26.2 miles or 42.195 km, while the run or walk method has been used by many runners to complete the distance. The time limit at most organized marathon is 6 hours. Marathon walkers train for this distance by slowly building their base mileage. In most cases, walkers begin training for the marathon up to 9 months before race day. 7. Stroller walking. Stroller walking is a great way to get outdoors with your baby and enjoy working out together. Usually, this is done with a specialized stroller that is easier to push. Since stroller walking changes your gait, all you need to use a good alignment and form to prevent injury. Here are few basic tips you can use before beginning stroller walking. Keep your wrist in the neutral position, engage your abdominals, keep your hips close to the stroller for power. Try to position your shoulder blades back and down. Keep your head up. Alternate swinging arms to release upper body energy and avoid stiffness.